Hello everyone and welcome back to part 3 on rebuilding this Ferrari California T, and finally we have all the parts in. So I honestly cannot be any excited because I've been waiting for over a month to get these parts. It's this guy right here, the lower control arm, and this guy right here, the hub, which honestly is super expensive, and over a month and a half to get those two parts right here. And I got them from Scuderia. Amazing quality, brand new, but I don't recommend because they take too much time and too much money. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys another place where you can find exotic parts. Alright, since I have these very first most expensive parts, I would say, for this project, I am gonna keep you guys and show you guys the places I mentioned where I sourced all the other parts for a lot cheaper. To be honest, they're used but still in amazing condition. These are brand new and honestly pay top dollar, and sometimes probably you don't mind paying that. It's just they take forever to get these parts. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this and show you guys all the process, what it's gonna take and what we miss anything. So anyway, stay tuned and we'll start putting this thing together. We managed to put this guy here, so we're just gonna put the screws first, and we probably need to lift this with a jack or something to have them place it right here, so we can put the this guy right here into here. Alright you guys, we have these washers right here, so we kind of forgot where they go, but they go right here and with these two guys on top. Just like this. Alright, so at this point you connect this with the hub right here, the suspension, and you make sure you tighten this properly. And that's about it about the lower arm. So now we have to move to this guy once that thing is tied up. And this guy gets connected right here. Progress, it's going on. Espresso, let's finish the espresso. We might end up getting some more energy, because what we're trying to do is lift this guy right here so we can put it right here. what guys, you have no idea how much we went through for these guys. So basically when the car got hit, see this guy right here, I lost one of these with this, not like, I don't know how you're gonna call this guy, but I literally went and bought so many different ones, wasted a couple hours of our lives going through to find this guy, and finally we'll find this guy right here, finally, after 2 hours of research. This guy right here was to buy it brand new, I think around $850 by the time it gets home, around $1,000, just a radiator supporter holder, whichever you want to call it. It goes right here, so it's not perfect, but honestly it's almost there. So slight bend in there, but honestly it looks pretty good. Very happy with it. Alright, as you can see right here, we managed to put this bracket to hold the radiator. We put a bigger washer just so it holds that, but we have to put this little guy right here as well down below there, so stay tuned for that. Doesn't seem much, but this stuff takes time. Okay. Let me find where I sourced all my parts so you can check them out if you need any parts for any of your exotic cars. So it's called Exotic Auto Recycling. Check them out. Honestly, I had amazing experience with them. I cannot complain. I had no even, and the delivery was so fast with them. It's just incredible. Anyway, I hope you found anything informative. I just wanted to share with you guys how much to kind of expect from these type of cars. They are expensive, but they are not that expensive because again, this Ferrari is just the entry level, so they're not like expensive like some other Ferraris. So again, it's expensive if you're gonna consider this with, let's say, a C63 or E63 or a BMW M5, M4, whichever you want to call it, or an Audi RS6 or RS5. It's definitely 2 or 3 times more expensive, the parts and the labor just to another level. But luckily this car, it's very easy to work on it, so don't get discouraged in these cars, because I know they are a lot of money sometimes and it's scary to see and think because they're just so expensive, the parts, but they're so simple to work on them. And that's why now I can understand, because when you deal with these kind of cars, it's more the fear than actually the work itself, because the work, it's very simple compared of just a normal car. Like for me, this car it's more simpler than a regular car. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I didn't put my hands in the engine, but I had to deal with a lot of stuff to be able, because it wasn't starting this thing when I bought. So again, I hope you found anything informative. I cannot wait to show you guys on the next videos how much progress I made with this car already, and I cannot wait to have it running and drive this thing, because it's truly an amazing experience for me in the end of the day, and that's why I want to share with you. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have any comments, leave it down below in the comment section, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next video. And if you haven't checked out my previous 2 videos, feel free to check them out, and I'll see you guys on the next video with some updates, because this Ferrari in the next video, it's gonna look kind of together. So stay tuned for that, subscribe and smash the like button. I'll see you guys on the next video. So thank you so much again for the love and support, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao everyone. The disc brake, it's in place. The brake caliper also in place. I cannot believe this thing is getting together. And we're about to put the tire on. Like, it's gonna start looking like a car again. Wow, unbelievable.